Alright guys, so it's another day, and unfortunately it's another rainy day. It's been raining for the past, I'd say, month now in South Florida, so I can't glass anything. I kind of been held up. With that being said, I got this big old roll of 1708. I'm going to pre-cut all the sheets for it, so when I do have a sunny day, I'll be ready to glass it in and keep it moving. But yeah, with that being said, let's get to it. Shout out Islamorada Brewing, keeping your boy hydrated during this hard time. A couple more pieces. I also cut out the boxes here up front. More space, I'll put that in the video showing me cutting them out. Pre-cut pieces of glass. What I like to do is put the 1708 side down. Wherever I'm gonna put the glass at, what I'm doing here is dipping my roller in like that, and then just rolling it out onto the chop side. I've learned that this is the best way to do it. You're not wasting as much resin when you're doing it this way. So we're just going to get it all wet till it's translucent. Once it's translucent, then we're going to apply it wherever we need to apply it to. But what this does is when it seeps through, at least it's going to be in the area where I'm going to be laying it. And now what I'm doing is pulling it off like so, flipping it over. 1708 side now is up, and now we're gonna lay it in right where we put the resin or epoxy at. Get that glued in just like that, and see how it's already sticking with just your hands, like so. That's the easiest way I found after doing all these stringers, to do this way. And now we're going to apply some more epoxy, same way, and just roll it on in. And at the same time with the roller, you could get the air bubbles out too. So I figured I'd share that with you guys. Hopefully that helps somebody with their glassing job on their stringers. Like I said, this helped a lot. And you almost don't even need a pen roller. And you can use the pen roller after you're done to get all the little stuff out. Alright, same thing. Got the chop side, 1708 side. And basically just repeat the process as you go. Got it translucent, pick it back up, 1708's up, and it right back down there. This way. Just like that. Back to rolling some more. Just keep on rolling, baby.